kapag nahanap mo yung perfect partner mo, parang ano eh, mas decidido ka to drive parang everything in your career or whatever it is.
The thriller is very interesting because it's not the usual OFW film about domestic helpers or caregivers. So, if you would give your movie a tagline, what would it be?
The one sa Love or sa Life, the one on the poster, sa Love or sa Life, going up or going down.
Meron.
So parang yun yung best encapsulates it. And yes, Love or Money, perfect din siya.
Parang ako iba yung song. Gusto ko pong tagline. May kanta po kasing ginamit dito na yung
Sipag lang.
Parang para sa akin gusto ko, araw-araw sipag lang. Parang mas nakaka-inspire siya.
For Kylie and Pablo, what struck me sa trailer, yung line ni Kylie na, we grew our money more than our love. Did I get that right? No? So in relationships sa tunay na buhay, how important is money in a love relationship? Or emotional investment ba or financial investment ang mas important sa relasyon?
Parang kung sa akin, parang it's a mix of both. But we grew our money more than our love. Ako po kasi parang, parang hindi po ako, sorry, nawawala. Sorry, what is the question for me?
Kasi sa relasyon, kung i-rank importance of money or the finances sa relasyon, on a scale of 1 to 5. Number 1?
I think it's in the middle. It's 3. Because choosing the right partner also, parang you have to know where the finances go. You have to, especially, kailangan nyo mag-budget. To fix, to save and maybe for your kids if you have kids. But I think it's in the middle. It's 3 because it's important to budget and to save for the rainy days.
For me, it is an important part, but it's not the most important part of a relationship. I mean, it would be nice kung bilang babae, feeling ko, no matter how much you earn, you should always keep something for yourself. Para you don't rely on a guy to sustain you. So, kahit no matter, kasi di ba may conceptualization tayo na parang, for a girl, umasenso na buhay, magpakasal ka na lang na mayaman. Para sa akin, still earn something for yourself. Parang, always have that pink slip. Kasi, maganda din na you have something for yourself. You earn. It doesn't matter how much you earn, but it's something for yourself. And in the end, yun lang yung meron sa'yo. What you have, what you believe in. Like yun sa movie, what you have, what you believe in, yourself. Kasi what if iniwanan ka ng tao? Anong mangyayari sa'yo? So, just pagbutihan mo yung career mo, yung finance mo, yung sarili mo. So, alagaan mo lang yung sarili mo.
Although wala naman perfect sa mundo, no? Pero if you were given a choice, a perfect career or a perfect partner?
Hirap niyan.
Mahirap yan.
Ako sumagot una. Ako, perfect partner. Yan yung asawa ko eh.
Yes. Okay. Siguro para sa akin, perfect partner. Dahil kapag nahanap mo yung perfect partner mo, parang mas decidido ka to drive parang everything in your career or whatever it is. I think perfect partner.
I would choose a perfect partner because a perfect partner wouldn't stop you from pursuing a perfect career.